Oh, oh, the millipede come out a lot. It's very big. Oh, also a scorpion. Oh, giant millipede. Oh my god. I see one more giant millipede in the ground of this stone. Oh my god. Stone, wow. Oh, it's a lot of millipede under this stone here. Hello guys, yes, welcome to my video. Yes, amazing place. So today I will discover the groundbug. Yes, near my home, a lot of insects. I love catching. Oh my god. Oh, this is the cucumber tree. Oh my god, a lot of insects. Yeah, after the rain I think the millipede comes out a lot. Oh, amazing. Oh, what is it? Oh, African snail. After the rain the millipede or the snail come out a lot. Oh my god. Oh, oh, the millipede come out a lot. It's very big. Oh, also a scorpion. Oh my god. Oh, oh, it's giant millipede. Oh, it's one is sleeping. Oh my god. I love catching all these insects, you know. Oh my god. Oh, amazing scorpion. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, one more giant millipede is blue. Looks very amazing. Oh my god, yes. It's very big millipede. I love catching. Oh, one more, you see? Oh my god. Oh, one more giant millipede. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, a lot of millipede. Oh, you see, it's amazing insects around my home. Wow. Oh, it's nice place. Oh, very small millipede, you see. Oh my god. This is an ancient snail. I love catching at this millipede. Oh. Ooh. Giant millipede. Oh my god. It's under this place. Oh my god. Oh, it's very big. Oh my god. I love catching. I love catching. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, I see one more. This is the African snail. You see? Oh my god. Oh, African snail. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, I love catching all this insect. Wow. Oh. Oh my god. Let's go bring more. Wow. Amazing. Oh, I see one more snail. Oh my god, African snail. After the rain, yes. It's this snail and also a lot of insects come out a lot. Oh, one more. I see one more. Wow. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, a lot of. Oh my god. Oh, I see one more giant millipede in the ground of this stone. Oh my god. Oh, also red millipede. Oh, Oh my god. Oh my god, wow. Oh, it's very big. Millipede. Oh, it's red millipede. Yes, also 2 red millipede under this stone. Yes. Wow. Oh my god. Yes, very nice catching. Oh, this stone. Wow. Oh, it's a lot of millipede under this stone here. Spot millipede. Spot millipede. Oh, it's a couple red millipede. Oh, ooh. This is the golden millipede. Wow. I love catching it. Wow. Eat a small red millipede. Oh my god. This is small black millipede. Oh my god, yes. Oh, it's a lot of insects. Oh, you see one more. Oh, the millipede comes out a lot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. A lot of. Oh. Amazing. Oh, it's also 2 giant millipede. Yes, also a scorpion. Wow. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god, wow. Oh. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, scorpion. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my god, wow. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, I love catching. Oh my god, giant millipede. Oh, a lot of insects. Oh my god. So it's easy to find because around my home has a lot of insects. Oh my god. Oh, I see one more. You see? Oh, it's millipede. Oh my god. Millipede come out a lot. Oh my god. Oh, I catch a lot of insects today because around my home has a lot of millipede, yeah, centipede, also scorpion, yeah, and snail. Wow, I love catching. Wow.